Amerika itarimo gukorana na guverinoma ya Congo.
The dispute, the plea, and the demand is that all civilians deserve to live a life of peace.
Utaka no kukomeza kubivugaho no kugira ngo abaturage babeho mu mahoro.
Which is not happening today.
Kandi nta mahoro bafite abaturage wacu.
War crimes are being committed. And these are not just war crimes committed by individuals who are unorganized. They are being organized through governmental forces as evidenced by the use of very expensive military drones. When I was in Bukavu, I expected to see a heavy military force there. Because that is what our media would like you to believe. What I witnessed was a very civil, organized city. I also learned that the government officials who were put in place after M23 took over are a very even representation of three different conflicting tribes, which is evidence that this argument is for peace and prosperity. What I also witnessed was a different type of humanitarian disaster, which is that the banks in eastern Congo are closed. Government officials in the media may tell us that this is to try to punish M23. M23 is unaffected by those sanctions. It's the civilians who are being severely affected and to devastating levels. They are going hungry. They need resources and food. We need those banks open now.
Yes.